escalating skies. Drone clash over Belgorod. Tensions soared in the southwestern Belgorod region as Russian air defenses engaged and neutralized a Ukrainian drone. According to a report by state-run news agency TASS, the incident unfolded without causing casualties or damage, though it underscored the mounting friction in the border province. This area, located merely 80 kilometers away from Ukraine's northeastern Kharkiv region, has witnessed a surge in drone attacks, with the skirmishes becoming nearly daily occurrences. Recent cross-border attacks have not been confined to unmanned aerial vehicles. Towns on the Russian side of the border have also experienced intensified shelling. The echoes of these clashes reverberated in Belgorod, where shelling on Tuesday led to injuries for 2 individuals. The unfolding events accentuate the volatility in this region, underscoring the heightened military activity on both sides of the border. Maritime maneuvers post-grain deal collapse. In the wake of the UN-brokered grain deal's collapse, a significant maritime development unfolded with the departure of the Hong Kong-flagged container ship Joseph Sholto from Ukraine's southern port of Odessa. This vessel, laden with grain and food products, embarked on its journey after the establishment of a temporary Black Sea shipping corridor, a strategic response to the grain deal's breakdown. The Joseph Sholto marked the maiden voyage through this new corridor en route to Romanian waters in the Black Sea. It is reported to be carrying over 30,000 metric tons of cargo. Ukrainian Infrastructure Minister Alexander Kubrikov confirmed this milestone, underlining the significance of this shift in maritime routes. The grain deal's unravelling in July, orchestrated by Russia's withdrawal, had significant implications for the transportation of Ukrainian grain via the Black Sea. The dissolution of the deal prompted a warning from Russia, declaring that vessels bound for Ukraine could potentially be carrying weaponry. In response, the Ukrainian Navy introduced temporary corridors for merchant ships, acknowledging the persistent threat posed by Russia along these routes. This maritime landscape has also seen recent tensions escalate, exemplified by a Russian warship's boarding of a Turkish-owned cargo ship, an incident condemned by Kyiv as an act of piracy. Russia's entry into drone training. The Russian Education Ministry has announced an innovative step forward. Vocational schools in Russia are set to provide training for operators of unmanned aircraft systems, UAVs, or drones. This new instructional venture will be incorporated into secondary vocational education, institutions and other learning centres, with a focus on training operators for unmanned aircraft systems weighing up to 30 kg. Education Minister Sergei Kravd shared this development during a speech at the Moscow Urban Forum, as reported by state media TASS. While specific timelines for the initiation of these training programs were not disclosed. This move reflects Russia's aspirations to equip its workforce with skills aligned with the burgeoning field of drone technology. This announcement takes place against the backdrop of broader developments in Russia's drone capabilities. US intelligence officials recently revealed that Russia is collaborating with Iran to establish a drone manufacturing facility within its borders. This facility, expected to be completed by early next year, is anticipated to significantly bolster Russia's drone stockpile, potentially influencing conflicts and strategic dynamics. The facility's construction, coupled with Russia's foray into drone operator training, underscores the nation's growing emphasis on unmanned aerial technology.